Now, if you're anything like me, you're the kind of dog owner who likes to pamper their pup. I'm talking birthday cakes, Christmas gifts, only the best treats.
She's telling you the truth. I promise you. Always talk about such a good boy Fergus is.
He is a good boy.
He is a good boy.
He's very, but I have treats in my hand right now. So it's only fitting that we celebrate our undying love for our little four-legged friends every Valentine's Day. And one way to do that is with a Bark-Uterie board.
Not a charcuterie board.
Not a charcuterie board, but a Bark-Uterie board, or a Bark-Uterie box. And I know what you're thinking. Really, Lisa? Really? Yeah, really. Actually, I got this idea from doggy daycare.
Really?
Yeah, so it's not my, but it's a great idea. So what I did is I put together some ideas that I found on the internet to show your pup or your pup's friends some love on Valentine's Day. Now, we rehearsed this morning, and he was sitting here like a good boy as I was putting all this together, but now he's he's all about, this is Fergus, by the way. You see him sometimes on, we call it Fergus Friday here on DelmarvaLife.
He's a good boy.
And he is a good boy. All right, so what I did was I put together some treats, and some of these treats you could eat yourself. They're human treats, like the dog cookies that I made. 3 ingredients, and they are natural peanut butter, oatmeal, dry oatmeal, and bananas. That's all. And I'm going to have the recipe on our website, DelmarvaLife.com. You cook them for about 25 minutes, and then they come out looking like this. Of course, you have to have the little cookie cutters that I use. This one right here is a dog, isn't it? And this one is a bone.
Apparently, they taste pretty good.
They do taste good. You can taste it. You want to taste it?
No. Thank you, though. I appreciate the offer. Where are you going?
There he goes. He's gone. Okay, so other things. He's taking it over.
He'll finish that one and he'll be right back.
He'll be right back. Other things that dogs can eat that we eat, of course, are sweet potatoes, carrots. I've got blueberries. They love blueberries, especially if you freeze them. Do your dogs ever eat blueberries? You ought to try it.
I don't know if I've ever tried it.
You ought to try it. They love blueberries and, of course, strawberries. And you can find these cookie cutters in all different kinds of dog-themed shapes at any of your craft stores.
Right.
They're all over the place, and that's how I made these cookies. And also, doggy treats, pre-made doggy treats come in all different shapes and sizes. Of course, they come in heart sizes, which we have here. And I love this. You know how we were talking yesterday about the conversation hearts with the messages on them? You can get little doggy
you're not kidding me.
treats. This one right here says hugs. This one says kiss.
Oh my goodness.
He's not coming back. Oh, here he comes. He's coming back.
There's more.
All kinds of different things. So, and when you're putting something like this together, obviously, your dog will eat it no matter what it's on. But you know what? We love social media, and we love showing off our pups. And this is just cute, okay? So what I did for you, I took a sweet potato, I cut it up into slices, and then you can take one of your cookie cutters, and you can cut out the shape you want. Now, you don't want to give your dog the skin, because it's hard for them to digest. I don't know why. I just know that it is. So that's the cookie cutter is
make sure you place it so that
small enough.
Don't get skin.
And you don't want to give your dog raw sweet potatoes. So what I do is I cut them out and put them in the bowl and just put it in the microwave for like 2 minutes. You want to get back up here, don't you? Don't you? Come here. Here we go.
Come on, Fergus. We got more for you, buddy. You're going to like this.
There we go. And then there you go. You have a little treat. Now, I cooked these already. Do you want to try this? There we go. He's like, I'm saving that one for later. Okay, and one more thing I want to show you. You can find these cute little boxes, any of your craft stores. I think I found these at Target, very inexpensive. Tissue paper with little hearts on it, very inexpensive. And then put all of your little treats in there that you make or you buy or whatever. And then I found the stickers, and Jimmy actually helped me during the commercial break put the stickers on the front of the box. Half price, because it's so close to Valentine's Day, so that wasn't expensive at all.
So then how do you determine which of Fergus's friends deserves a Bark-Uterie box?
That's a tough one right there, because Fergus loves everybody.
Oh, so you better make a bunch of them.
I got to make a bunch of them. Oh, and one more thing, and I didn't get to this, is apples. Apples are another great thing. You can cut the slices like so,
Right.
and do the same thing. You want to get the seeds out and do the same thing with your cookie cutter.
Gotcha.
And you can have an apple in the shape. Make sure you get the right size.
Same thing with the skin?
I don't think so, but the way that it cuts with the cookie cutter,
Right.
I just broke it. You're not going to get the skin anyway.
Okay. Yeah.
And they like apples, don't you? He's like, I'm not sure about that. Let me throw it on the
There's
chair.
so much up here to choose from, Mom. I can't make up my mind.
But anyway, happy Valentine's Day to you
Yes.
and your dogs. And Fergus, thank you for being such a good sport.
He's a good boy.
He's eating the apple
He's
down
a good
there.
boy.